This video is a demonstration for how to generate the bot accuracy report, and that report will determine how much accurate our bot is. How well it is doing based on the training we have already provided. For doing that, we have to define something called evaluations, and in all the messages on which we already have previously defined the variation. And to add those, we have to go to the advanced section of the message, and below the variation section, there is the evaluation section, on which we will add the evaluations. So that difference between evaluations and variations is the variation are what we have defined, and train the bot on, and evaluations on which the words or phrases on which the bot will be tested again. It is kind of similar to user responses because in real world, the user response might not contain the exact variation, and it might contain some phrases that were part of it alongside optionally with some added words. The key factor to determine how intelligent the bot is, and how easy it is speaking up, and the similarity with the variations and responding with the same message that we have provided. So even with the user types available, we want to evaluate the bot to this message. We are available 24/7 for your support. We will submit and save the message, and I have already added the variations for some other messages. So, this one is regarding the question for us, in the world, in which country the bot is operating. So for the evaluations I have decided which countries, and similarly I added some more evaluations. I have added what language in case of we are speaking the bot, asking them about actually what languages do you speak. Save it, and the same goes for one more message regarding how to create a bot. So I have described typical user responses, like bot setup and create bot. And yeah, we will save all the evaluations, and same goes for here, or just like with variation, we can add multiple variation for the same message by separating goals with new lines. There are also when we add a new line. So basically these two are different evaluations. We can add multiple evaluations too. Same message that created one new line. It can be considered as a new evaluations. We will save the message, and now for regenerating the record, we will go to the bot section and training panel. There are 3 sections: train new model, predicted that we already have seen, and the third one is the evaluation section, and we will send in the same class here as we have used to train the model, and we will select the bot name. Like this is the bot name that you can see that we have already used to train the bot. Now we will evaluate it. So this is the evaluation report in the detail summary. For the report has been generated, and it is given currently accuracy of 100%. So what it is saying is this is the evaluations variation. So there are 2 things. One is expected flow sequence that we have added through the variation, and the second what actually bot is predicting. So both the values currently are matching exactly. This is what about it giving 100% accuracy, and this is the result of each of the tests. Basically we have added 4 evaluations, and all the evaluations are used as a bot response, and bot have responded with the correct expected flow ID. And so for this currently we don't have much data, like not enough variations. So if let's say if we have around 100 to 200 evaluations and variations, the bot can give around it can give 70 of the value here. That means that 70% of the accuracy of the bot. If it is 80 or 90 then it could be 80% or 90%. It won't necessarily go up to 100 all the time. And yeah, and below here you can find the detailed summary of the report. So basically you have intent the variation for that. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.